Welcome back to my channel, Tech Nerd Archive. If you've been dragging and resizing windows with your mouse this whole time, this video is going to change that completely. The Win key can manage every window on your screen without you ever touching the mouse. So welcome to part 2 of the Master the Win key series, Window Management. And I'll be honest with you, all 4 of these shortcuts are ones most people have never seen before. So stay till the end. Let's go. Shortcut number 1. Win plus left arrow or Win plus right arrow. Press Win plus left or right arrow. This snaps your active window to the left or right side of your screen instantly. An additional tip. While your window is on left or right side, if you press down or up arrow, it will resize the window to 1/4 or half of the screen again, and side arrows help switching the sides. This is perfect when you're working with 2 or more things at once, side by side, no dragging, no resizing. Just 2 key presses. Shortcut number 2. Win plus up arrow or Win plus down arrow. Win plus up maximizes your current window to fill the entire screen, and Win plus down minimizes it, or if it's already maximized, it restores it to its previous size first, then minimizes on the second press. And if you press the up arrow again, it will restore the minimized windows. Alright, 2 down, 2 to go. The next one is for everyone, and then I've saved something really special for last. If you work on 2 or more physical screens, the last shortcut is going to be a game changer for you. Keep watching. Shortcut number 3. Win plus home. This minimizes every single window on your screen, except the one you're currently working in. Everything else disappears in one press. And if you press it again, everything comes back like exactly where it was. Shortcut number 4. Win plus shift plus left or right arrow. And this is the special one. This last shortcut is specifically for people working with 2 or more physical monitors. If that's you, pay close attention. Pressing Win, Shift, left or right arrow will move your active window to another monitor instantly. No dragging across screens, no repositioning. Just Win plus Shift and an arrow key, and your window jumps to the next screen in that direction. If you're on a single screen right now, bookmark this one. The moment you add a second monitor, this shortcut will be the first thing you use. And that's the end of Master the Win key part 2. Part 3 is coming, and it's all about virtual desktops and task view. If you've never used virtual desktops on Windows, you're seriously missing out. So stay tuned for the next part. And if this video taught you something new, do subscribe and ring the bell, so every new upload lands straight to you. And comment below. What hidden feature, app, or trick do you want me to dig up next? Let's build this archive together. Stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.